Assalamualaikum students. I'm your maths teacher from Iowa Schools. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Today is our ninth day of online teaching. But before starting the teaching, I will give you some instructions. Hopefully you all understand. Number one, don't don't raise hand during teaching. Number two, ask questions at the end of the teaching. Number three, use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Number four, feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Number five, take care of time for attending the class. Number six, home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. And number seven is, if there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. So these are the instructions. Hope you all understand. Yesterday we have completed chapter number 8, that is length. Hopefully you all understand that chapter. If you face any difficulty in solving any question of any exercise, you will ask me at the end of today's teaching. Okay. So today I am going to start chapter number 3, that is subtraction. And topics of the day are here you see on your screens. Number one is subtraction of 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers, that is review, because you already know very well that how to subtract 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers. And another one is subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers, no change. Okay. Subtraction. All you know very well in simple words, subtraction means to subtract one digit from another digit, simple minus. Okay. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or a quantity. Okay. Subtraction means taking away a number or a quantity from a given number or a quantity. Okay, to subtract one number from another number. The answer in subtraction is called the difference. Okay, the answer when we subtract both numbers, the answer that comes after subtracting that two numbers is called difference. Okay. Here you see subtraction of 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers. On your screens here you see that first these are one digit number subtraction. Here you see that 8 is subtracted from 4, and you know that rule is whenever we subtract, upper digit must be bigger than smaller digit. Here you see 8 is bigger than 4, so you easily subtract it. When you subtract 8 from 4, what remains? 4. Here you see lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the number given below? 4. You cut 4 lines from it. How many lines remains? 4. So your difference is 4. This is single one digit subtraction. Move towards two digit subtraction. This is just a review. Okay. Tens and units. Okay. This is two digit subtraction. Starting from here, starting from ones. Here you see this is this is two digit addition. Okay. 1 plus 6, 7 and 1 plus 2, 3. In the case of subtraction, you need to take borrow from here. Move to next, subtracting 3 digit numbers. Subtract 100 from 127. 127, you know that 100 is smaller than 127. In this case, here they are giving you option to write 127 above and write 100 below, because 127 is greater than 100. It will easily help you to subtract. Okay. So first of all, 100 tens unit, this is 3 digit subtraction. First of all you write 127 then 100. So starting from ones, 7 minus 0, 7, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Now move to next, subtracting 3 digit numbers without borrowing. Borrowing and without borrowing, I will give you this concept after this. Step 1. write greater number on the top of the smaller number, because if upper digit is smaller than lower digit, then you need to take borrow from another digit. But here you see what's the step 1, that write greater number on the top and smaller number below here. Step number 2, subtract the ones. First of all, you have to subtract the ones, then tens, and then hundreds. Okay. Now see, subtract 125 from 657. So you write 657 above and 125 below. So starting from ones, 7 minus 5, 2. Now come to tens, 5 minus 2, 3. Comes to 100, 6 minus 1, 5. So your difference is 532. This is 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit subtraction. Now come to the topic. Open your books, page number 22, 3.1. Subtraction of 1, 2 and 3 digit numbers, revision. This is also revision. Now come to example number 1. Subtract 9 minus 4. You know that 9 is bigger than 4, so easily subtract it in simple way. 9 minus 4, 5. It means 9 units and 4 units. No tens are given here. Only single digit means that only one place at subtraction is given here. So when 9 units minus 4 units is equal to 5 units. When you subtract 9 from 4, the difference is 5 units. Example number 2. This is 2 digit addition subtraction. Subtract 38 from 56. Now you see that this is 2 digit subtraction, means units and tens. Now starting from units, here you see now 56 and 38. 6 is smaller than 8. Now what you do here, you take borrow from tens. In tens place, what digit is above? 5. When you take borrow from 5 and 5 gives borrow to 6, the 6 will become 16, because 5 gives a single one borrow to 6. When 5 gives one borrow to 6, it will become 16. Now you see that 16 is greater than 8. Here you easily subtract it. 16 minus 8, 8. Okay. Now come to 5 and 5 give 1 borrow to 6. It will become 16, and here what's left? 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. Now what's the difference here? When you subtract 56 from 38, your answer is 18. Here the difference is 18. Move to example number 3. Subtract 522 from 365. Here you see 3 digit addition, 100, tens, units. You always start subtraction or addition from units place. So here on units you see 2 and 5. You know the rule very well that upper digit must be bigger than a smaller digit when you going to subtract. Here you see that 2 is smaller than 5. So what you do here? You take borrow from tens place digit. Here on the tens place, what is given here? 2. When this 2 gives 1 borrow to this 2, it will become 12. Now you easily subtract it. 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. When this 2 gives 1 borrow to this 2, it will become 12. Now you easily subtract 12 minus 5, 7. Now when this 2 gives 1 borrow to this 2, now it will become 1. Now 1 is also smaller than 6. If you come to the place of tens to subtract, now 1 is also smaller than 6. So what you do here, you take borrow from hundreds place digit. When 5 gives 1 borrow to this 2, it will become, 1 borrow to this 1, it will become 11. 11 minus 6, 5. And this 5 will become 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. Your 3 digit answer is 156. Now here you see the explanation of this question, subtraction of units. As I explained you that when 5 units cannot be subtracted from 2 units, therefore change 2 tens into 1 10 plus 10 units and add 10 units with 2 units. Here you see that plus 2 is equal to 12. Okay. And 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. When this tens gives 1 to this unit, okay, so it will become 12, and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So your answer in units is 7 units. Subtraction of tens. In tens column there remains only one ten because this 2 gives borrow to this here 1. So here what left? Only 1. Okay. Here also 6 tens cannot be subtracted from 110 because 6 is greater than 1. So what you do here, you take borrow from 100. When 5 gives borrow to, this one, it will become 11 and it will become 4. 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6, 5 tens. Now subtraction of hundreds. Now come to the 100 columns. In 100 columns, there remains 4 tens instead of 5 because this 5 gives one borrow to this tens. Okay, it will become 4 and it will become 3. So when you subtract 4 minus 3, it will become 1. So your difference required is 157. Hope you all understand these examples. Now moving forward. Exercise 3.1. Open your books, page number 23. This here you see single digit addition means only units. Units place subtraction. Question number 2. 7 minus 2. Here you know that 7 is greater than 2. You easily subtracted 7 minus 2, 5. Now here you see 100 tens units. 5 minus 1, 4 because 5 is greater than 1. You easily subtract. Here you see 4. So 5 minus 1, 4. Your difference is 4. Move to the next page. Page number 24. Question number 6. Here you see 2 digits addition or 2 place addition means units and tens. Subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. Here you see that 8 is greater than 4. You usually subtracted. Your answer will become 4. And 3 minus 2, here 3 is greater than 2. So 1 here. Okay. So your difference is 14. Now 3 digits subtraction means units, tens, hundreds. Now look and listen very carefully. 3 digits addition starting from ones place. Here you see 1 is smaller than 7. Okay, 1 is smaller than 7. So what you need to do here, you take borrow from tens place digit. But on tens place also there is 0. So what you do here, you take borrow from hundreds place digit. When 4 gives 1 borrow to this 0, it will become 10. Here you see with pink color 1. Okay, when 4 gives 1 borrow to 0, it will become 10. And what remain on 4? 3. When 4 gives 1 borrow to tens place, here what is left? 3. And now this 10 gives borrow to units place digit. When this 10 gives borrow to 1, it will become 11. And here what remains? 9. Okay. So when you subtract 11 from 7, it will become 4. 11 minus 7, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. And 3 minus 1, 2. Your answer is 274. Okay. I'm repeating. 401 minus 127. Starting from ones place. Here you see that 1 is smaller than 7. What you need to do here, you need to take borrow from tens place digit. But on tens place also 0 is given. So you need to take borrow from hundreds place digit. When here 100 place is 4. When 4 gives 1 borrow to 0, it will become 10. And 4 when 4 gives 1 borrow, it will become 3. When this 10 gives borrow to units place 1, it will become 11. And here remains 9. 11 minus 7, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. And 3 minus 1, 2. Your difference is 274. In this way, you will solve question here where you need to take borrow, but do it carefully. Question number 18. No borrow is needed here. 563 minus 240. 3 minus 0, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Your difference is 323. This is exercise 3.1. To complete this exercise in your books by using pencil, by using sharp pencil, don't create any dirtiness on your books. Okay. Moving forward. 3.2, page number 24, subtraction of 4 5-digit numbers. Okay. Example number 1. Subtract 3000. 4 digit means 3,000 placing, and 5 digit means 10,000 placing. Okay. Subtract 3,412 from 8,625. Starting from units, first of all, you need to place the digits in vertical form. To subtract, this is the horizontal form, but you need to subtract, so you write it in vertical form. So first of all, what you write? Bigger digit. Okay, so you see 8,625 is bigger than 3,412, and here you see from means to subtract this from this. Okay, so you write first of all this 8,625, then 3,412. Now again, starting from units, in the units place you see 5 minus 2. 5 is greater than 2, easily subtract. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 units. Now comes to tens place, 2 and 1. 2 is subtracted from 1. So 2 easily subtract from 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 tenths. Now comes to 100 place, 6 minus 4, 2, 200s, and 1000, 8 minus 3, 5. Your answer is 5,213. Okay, the difference is 5,213. Move to the next example. Example number 2. Subtract 34,563 from 75,986. Here you see 5 digits subtraction. 5-digit subtraction means subtraction up to till 10,000. Starting from units, now placing, first of all, you need to place the digits in vertical form. 75,986 subtracted from 34,563. When you start from units, 6, first of all, come to units place. Okay, 6 is greater than 3, easily subtract. 6 minus 3, 3 units. Now come to tens place. 8 is greater than 6, you will easily subtract it. 8 minus 6, 2, 2 tenths. 100 place. 9 minus 5, 9 is greater than 5, you will easily subtract it. 9 minus 5, 400s. Comes to 1000 place. 5 and 4, 5 easily subtract from 4, 1, 1000. Now come to 10,000 place, that is 5th digit subtraction. 7 is greater than 3, 7 easily subtracted from 3, so 7 minus 3, 4. Your difference is 41,423. Here no change, that is written here. Here no change means that no need of borrow is given in these two examples. In exercise, some questions are of borrow and some questions are without borrow. Okay, you just need to do it carefully. Okay, I am repeating this example again. 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. If you have any difficulty, any confusion, you now listen very carefully. Okay. 4-digit subtraction means subtraction up to 1000. Here you see number 3,412 subtracted from 8,625. First of all, you write 8,625, then 3,412. Now you know that starting from units, 5, 2. 5 is bigger than 2, easily subtract. 5 minus 2, 3 units. Now comes to tens, 2 is greater than 1, easily subtract, no need of borrow. 2 minus 1, 1. 100, 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 5,213. This is the difference of example number 1. Example number 2 is up to subtraction is up to till 10,000, 5 digits. So 75,986 subtracted from 34,563. Here you see, starting from units, 6 is greater than 3, so 6 minus 3, 3. 8 is greater than 6, 8 minus 6, 2. 9 is greater than 5, 9 minus 5, 4. 1000 place 5 is greater than 4. 5 minus 4, 1. And 10,000 place 7 is greater than 3. So 7 minus 3, 4. Your answer or your difference is 41,423. Hopefully you all understand it very well. Now I'm moving towards exercise 3.2. You're in your books, page number 25 and page number 26. This is the last exercise of today's teaching. Okay. Okay. Here, question number 2 is solved for you. Starting from units, this is 4-digit additions, 2000. This 2-digit subtraction, 2597, 1430. Okay. Starting from unit, 7 minus 0, 7. Here 9 is also greater than 3 and then the tens place. So 9 minus 3, 6. 5 is in 100 place. 5 is also greater than 4. 5 minus 4, 1. And in 10,000 place, 2 is also greater than 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. Your answer is 1167. Another question, question number 8 is also solved for you. Here you see 5,911, 1,613. Now you need to take borrow here. Listen it carefully. 1 in units place, 1 is smaller than 3. Now you need to take borrow from tens place digit. So when tens place 1 gives borrow to units place 1, the units place 1 will become 11 and tens place 1 will become 0. Okay, so first of all you need to solve ones place digits. When 11 minus 3, 8. Units place solved. Now come to tens place. So this one gives borrow to units place 1 will become 0. Now 0 minus 1, no chance. So you take borrow from 100 place digits. On 100 place digit, what is written? 9. When this 9 gives borrow to this 0 at 1 tens place, so this will become 10. Okay, so 10 minus 1, 9. And on 100 place, when 9 gives 1 borrow to tens place 0, so here what remains? 8. 8 minus 6, 2. And now comes to 1000 place, 5 is greater than 1, no need of borrow, so 5 minus 1, 4. Your answer is 4,298. Okay, moving forward. Question number 9, no need of borrow. 5 digits subtraction. 68,893 subtracted from 68,763. Starting from units place, 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 6, 9 is greater than 6. You can easily subtract. 9 minus 6, 3. Hundreds place, 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 1. Thousands place, 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8, 0. And 10,000 place, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Your answer is simply, when you read this answer, is 130. Because in 1,000 and 10,000 place, what's the answer? 0. Okay. Now question number 15. 78,208 subtracted from 73,107. No need of borrow here. 8 minus 7, 1. Tens place, 0 minus 0, 0. Hundreds place, 2 minus 1, 1. Thousand place, 8 minus 3, 5. And 10,000 place, 7 minus 7, 0. Your answer and your difference is 5,101. Question number 18. 45,789 subtracted from 3,564. Starting from units, 9 is greater than 4. You can easily subtract. 9 minus 4, 5. Comes to tens place. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Thousands place. 5 minus 3, 2. And 10,000 place, 4 is come as it is because no digit gives under 4. So your answer is 42,225. In this way, you will solve this exercise, that is exercise 3.2 in your books by using pencil. I am repeating question number 8. Listen it carefully. because this is a borrow questions. 5,911 subtracted from 1,613. Now you see that comes to one place, that 1 is smaller than 3, and in subtraction you must see that upper digit must be bigger than smaller digit, but here you see that 1 is smaller than 3. What you need to do here, you need to take borrow from digit at tens place, but on tens place there is 1. So when this one gets borrowed to this one on ones place, it will become 11, and what remains there, 0. So when this 11 subtracted from 3, answer is 8. Now comes to tens place, 0, 1. 0 is smaller than 1, so you need to take borrow from 100 place, digit on 100 place. What is here? 9. When this 9 gives 1 borrow to this 0, it will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And when this 9 gives borrow to a tens place digit, it will become 8. 8 minus 6, 2. And 5 minus 1, 4. So your answer is 4,298. Hope you all understand exercise 3.1 and 3.2 very clearly. If you have any misunderstanding, any confusion, any question, you ask me after 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to share home task with you. Listen it carefully. Do complete exercise 3.1, page 23 and 24 in your book by using pencil, by using sharp pencil. Don't create any mess in your books. Exercise 3.2, page 25 and page 26 in your books by using pencil. These two exercises you need to complete in today's date, okay? Inshallah, tomorrow I will ask you about how have you solved these exercises or not. Your today's teaching is end now. Hope you all understand subtraction of 1, 2, 3, and up to 5 digit numbers very clearly. Inshallah, we will continue exercise 3 point from 3.3 tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.